friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Henrietta Chidima, and on this channel we are known as Mongwani because that's what we are. I hope you subscribe and join our little community. Do not forget to hit the notification bell button so that you get notified whenever we post our video. So in today's video tutorial, watch as we create this gorgeous bridal hairstyle that you just saw now. Guys, it is so beautiful. So we are gonna start by parting our hair in the middle, as you're currently seeing on the screen. Before now, I have washed and moisturized my hair, and I will encourage you to do so, especially if you have the same texture as mine. You know how our dear fussy hair can be. I hope you guys can get some inspiration from this video. Feel free to share with your family and friends and whosoever that needs to see this video. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now and I'll allow you to watch and see how I navigate the whole process. I kind of added some water for a little bit moisture, you know, after parting the hair into two. So here I went ahead and repeated the whole process at the back of the hair, as you're currently seeing, just like I did in the front. So I wrap the hair with scarf and let it set for some time before continuing the whole process. So for the hair extension, we'll be using jumbo braid. This is a very popular brand you can get in the store, in any beauty surprise store. Okay, and bear in mind that you don't even have to use jumbo braid. Anyone with similar hair texture can serve this purpose. So I divided the hair into two and attached a rubber band, just like you're seeing. So I took the other half and did the same. So currently now you can see that the hair is kind of divided into 4 pieces. So I kind of divided the hair into 4 pieces. So in each I twisted it down, yeah, as I'm doing, so making the whole number of 4. Secure the tip with a little rubber band. So in the front we have 4 sections of twisted hair. So at this point, we're going to be using bobby pin to secure all this braid to our hair. Guys, it doesn't have to look exactly like mine. You can just be creative and create your own in your own unique look. Even though it looks easy, trust me, it's not as easy as it looks. I didn't even get exactly what I wanted, but I'm coming back. So I took out the other jumbo and repeated the whole process at the back of the hair. So in this video, we used 2 braiding hair. Okay guys, so this is our final look. So I'm going to finish this look and make it more attractive with this hair accessory I got from Amazon. Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Look at me looking like a new bride. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate you all. If you have watched to this end, I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. I appreciate you. Make sure you subscribe and join our family. Do not forget to hit the notification bell button to get notified whenever we post our video.